What's up, guys? The thumbnail was correct. KastKing sent me a bunch of stuff to review. Now, who am I to review anyone's gear? I'm just a casual fisherman, most likely like you, but I think they took note of the product review I did for the KastKing Blackhawk telescopic rod, a vid I posted about a month ago and received over 1,000 views already. You might not be familiar with the name KastKing. They're D2C. What does that stand for? Direct to consumer. They don't have a brick and mortar shop. You won't find any of their gear at West Marine, Big 5, Bass Pro, any of those usual outfitters. They sell online and online only, and by not having a brick and mortar outlet, they pass the savings on to you. Now, what is direct to consumer? Well, if you're familiar with these guys, you know that you don't have to walk into a store to rent a movie anymore. You simply go online, order, and they send their product direct to you. You'll find all their gear on Amazon, eBay, or KastKing.com. So I'm guessing you've seen your fair share of product unboxings online. Now let's do something different. Cue the jazzy hip hop music, and I'll see you in the pool. Okay, that was fun, but you probably want to know if the products work or not. I don't have a kayak, I do have a raft, but I don't have time to go out in the ocean and tip the raft over and see if this kayak bag and this phone case are actually waterproof. But we do have a pool, and I do have my test buddy, and we do have what I think is the perfect medium to see if this and this can keep water out. Everyone's favorite. Goldfish. Goldfish. So the plan is to put these goldfish in this 20-liter kayak bag and this phone case, throw them in that water, and come back in about 1 hour and see if the fish survive. If they don't, then we know that this kayak bag and this phone case aren't as waterproof as they're made out to be. You ready to put them in?
Yeah.
Cool.
Huh?
Cool.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
I need to pick them up.
Put the bag and pour it in. Perfect. Thanks. Alright, to close the bag is really easy. You take the top and fold it down about 4 or 5 times. You go down as far as you want, maybe until you hit the gear that's stored in the bag. But in this case, I want to keep the clear window open so we can see whether or not the goldfish make it. So once you roll it down as far as you want, turn, flip, there you have it. Same principle applies for the phone case. You zip it up, fold it down until itself, pinch the Velcro pieces together, and there you have what should be a watertight seal for your phone, your license, your driver's license, your wallet, whatever you want to keep waterproof. Alright, the plan is to take this and submerge it, and we can't hold our breath long enough to stay underwater for an hour, so we got to find some way to submerge these two goods. down. Well, it took a while, but the 20-liter kayak bag and the phone case and the lounging chair finally submerged. Oh, and if you're wondering about the long sleeve tee, I'm a medium, I'm 5'5", I bought a medium. It fits really well. I haven't had a chance to test it out in the surf or on a boat. I can't vouch for its wicking performance, and I can't vouch for its sunscreen protection, but so far so good. Alright, the bag's submerged, the fishies are in. We'll see if they survive the next 60 minutes. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, it's been about 1 hour since we put the 2 bags in the pool. Let's see if the fishies made it. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, first up, the KastKing phone case. It's pretty dry to me.
So many.
Open your hand.
Huh?
Open your hand. Well, the fishies look 100% dry. I think they survived, and we can safely say that the KastKing phone case survived a 1 hour dunk and kept these fishies 100% dry. Let's see if the kayak bag survived the challenge. Alright, what do you see inside?
Goldfish.
Are they dry?
Yeah.
You see any water inside?
No.
You unclip, unroll, and unflap. Now let's see if our little fishy friends made it.
Oh no, it's
Well, 3 fishies here. They all look dry to me. If the fishies made it, there's a good chance that any gear, including electronics, can stay pretty dry too. This is a pretty extreme test. This bag is intended to keep your gear dry while it's on your yak or on your raft, and if it does go over, it'll probably float at the surface. Oh, and incidentally, I've been wearing this KastKing long sleeve tee for about an hour. It fits really well, it's really comfortable, it's got a really nice fitted fit, and I'm sure it'll do a good job of keeping me dry and sun protecting the shore. I won't consider this review the full review, but maybe I'll review it in a future vid. But I am pretty impressed with the performance of the KastKing 20-liter kayak yak bag and their phone case. So thanks again to KastKing for considering me for their product reviews, and I'll see you guys on the shore.